Good morning and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Monday, June 10, 2024, and we are in the first training of this week. And we are in week 24. So 2 more weeks we'll close our second quarter of this year. Yes, second quarter, which is end in June right there. And this week, Wednesday we have a huge day because combine both. Normally, the CPI separate from the FOMC, but for June it's very special. Uh, this year, June, the second week of June, right? That's the second week of June. Yeah, we said second week of June. We have both high impact events taking place, which is the CPI data at 8:30, and then at 2 p.m. you have FOMC meeting. So huge liquidity, huge opportunity for us right there. And we look forward to that. So, all right, let's look at the trade that we are trade today. We take about 5 trade for today, and some good setup show up right there. So let's take a look. The very first trade we take is right here. We take this trade before the opening bell open at 9:30, right? So right here is the recording. Right, we took the trade right here because you see on 1 hour time frame. You see break, it can just test from below, break it, then it reverse. That's what we want to put a buy stop right here. And we target at this low. At first we target at this low, but we move our target a little bit closer for conservative. But it hit both targets, so that's the matter right there. You see, it hit both target for us right there. Yes, it hit that target right there at the 45. We make it. We mark the low right there, and also it hit the second target. You see right there, 53.44 right there. It hit both of them. Yeah, it hit both of them. Perfect. So that's our first trade right there. Yeah, let's take a look at the recording for the first trade. Yeah, here's the recording for the first trade right there. So basically, we put a sell stop at 53.49. Right, 53.49. The level is right here. Right here, when it breaks it right here, for 53.49 right there on the 1 hour time frame. You see that? That's the level. Where's that right there? Yeah, right here at 8. So we go in at this 8:45, and we target right here. Actually, we target right here, but then we move our target right here, and we got hit. So either way, we get out a little bit early right there. But if we let it run, we can hit the target right here, which is another 2 point more right there. But anyway, it's a good trade right there. So that's right here. We see that, put a sell stop. We got our gut feel, and you see that I put our target right here at the 43 level, but then we move back to 45 level a little bit. You see right here we get a little bit nervous that it may reversal from here, so that's the reason why we move our targets right there. You can see that we move our target. Yeah, if you follow up, it's okay, but it's retrade a little bit, so it makes us a little bit uncomfortable. You see that we move our target up at the 45 level right there. Yeah, we go up to 35 level. And you can see that
Order filled.
yeah, so we get the order fill right there. Get that's our first trade right there. Whenever we see opportunity, accept, then we put a trigger. And that's exactly we saw before the 9:30:01 right there, at the 45 right there, 8:45 we saw the setup perfectly right there. You see that? So it tests from below, and then break it, and then it's gonna reverse. There's no reason for it to come back to that level. The only come back in it in order to break it. And perfect fight. If we can target at 45 or 43, we will got it right there. Perfect right there. And this is a 4 breakout that we talking so many times, right? Break, test, break, test from below, and then break it, and then reverse. That is the setup of our, bread and butter setup right there. Yeah, this is the setup that we document right there. So you see that it break, test from below, and then reverse, or vice versa, break it, test from above, then reverse. Thus is one of typical assemble, or this assemble. This is the short setup, right? You break it, test from above, and then it reverse. That is a very you know type 1 break we see right here, the same idea. Yeah. Break it, test from below, and then reverse. Like this long setup, this short setup, which is the one we take right there. But the difference is that right here on high time frame, actually is at the bottom. In this case, you can see that it's a head and shoulder pattern right there. The head right here and the shoulder right there. So we have to get out and go long. And right here you can see that the beautiful setup right here for, but we didn't take the long trade. We kind of restrain ourselves right there, but we should take the trade right there. It's so perfect. Right there. Let's look at the screenshot we have. Yeah, perfect right here. You see that at that moment you can see that it's a head and shoulder pattern right there on both time frame, the 1 hour time frame and also the 50-minute time frame right there. You see it's beautiful light up right there. So right here we have the break and then reverse right here, and I have second break right here, but it reversed this one. This one's supposed to be follow up right, but it did not, and it manifests itself on a low time frame very beautifully. You see that test from above 1, 2, 3, and then break it and then reverse. So that's, and also it create an head and shoulder pattern right there. Let's document this so we have a beautiful beautiful setup. Next time we know what to do right there. And it's 10 right. That's the beautiful setup we're talking about right here. And yeah, we should go in right here. So it's you see the head right here and the shoulder right there. So perfectly light up right there. And this is the high time frame right there. Let's put this into this color so we know that is a high time frame right there. Beautiful, man. It's so clear. It's clear like a daylight right there. You see that big level right here? Break it. You see? Break it, test from below, break it, and now break, test from about 1, 2, 3, boom, and then reverse right away. So we have beautiful setup right here, and the 930 is just a auto block where you have auto block. This is the auto block. Absolutely, that's the auto block. Yeah, let's put right here. We have like this is auto block right there. Reverse right away. It's a very beautiful setup. So basically, we have what? That's hold on, no. Especially you have this so-called a hanging man or dozy candle hang above right there. So whoever goes short right here have to get out quick as soon as possible. Otherwise, could be a big price right there. And then we have what? We have break it, and then we have reversal. So only 3 steps right there. 1, 2, 3. So basically, we have 3, 1, 2, 3 step ABCs right there. Very simple. And we want to keep it that way, so easy for us to recognize the pattern. Basically, you have no. This is the second step, which is break it, and then the third step is just reverse right away. And in this case, yeah, the very first step that you're gonna see that is retest or test, for that matter. So above. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 3 times test from above and then break it. Then there's no reason to come back to that level. The only reason to come back is just to break the level. Beautifully, it break it. So we can say something right here. Basically, right here, it line up with the 1 hour time frame. You see right there. So this candle right here at 9 is supposed to be yeah, this candle right here at 9 right there is supposed to be break the level, but it reversed. You see that? Yeah, candle at 10, right? At 10, which is star. Yeah, right here, this candle. Yeah, it tests. It's supposed to be, but it flipped right there. That's the point we're trying to make right there. This candle is supposed to break, but it flipped. Let's see, we can add one more right here. Yep. Yeah, so let's add one more arrow right there. So let's do it again. Go on, add arrow right there. So basically, it's a retest from above. In this case, 3 times. And then second, you have break. So whenever a bright approach or reach a level, there are only two scenario, right? You're gonna break the level or gonna be fail to break, which is reverse. In this case, it's reverse. It looked like break, but it reverse. You see, it break it and then it reverse break right away. That's how the mechanic behind the algorithm right there. We can say that the candle tense flip. It flip right there. It's supposed to go and break the level. You have a test from above twice, 1, 2, the level, right? It's supposed to break the level, but it flipped. So it's the key level. Want to watch to see how the 43, 53, 45 is very key level right there. Yeah, it flipped. But flip, we mean that is it was supposed to break 53, 45, 50. But if reverse or flip, that idea. And thus it manifests itself in the low time frame right here. And we need to add a little bit more right here. So basically it's a fall breakout at the level 53, 45, 50. Yeah, 54, 50. And in this case it create a head and shoulder pattern right there, and head and shoulder pattern or setup. Let's see, do we have anything in the past that help us to, yeah, right here. Yeah, in the past we do see some setup create and head shoulder right there. Exactly. Wow, you see that? It break the level and break and reverse. It do twice. In this case, it break the level and reverse. Let's see. Yeah, it's break level. It reverse, but it did not reverse right away. Right, the reverse, it take time. This way also break and then reverse. So it do twice. But this reverse is and this reverse is, it have a distance. Basically, it is take time. But in the example we have right here, it's very close together. So you can see that. But the idea is the same. It break the level, it reverse back right away. So we call it a head and shoulder right there. Or double bottom for that matter. Yeah, we see the head and shoulder. Oh, some people call double bottom. Similar to double bottom right there. How do we recognize that? Just retest from above. This time 3 times right there. The reason why we put this in parentheses is because we try to come to see the similarities between the same, long setup and short setup. Well, for the long setup, you're gonna test from for the short setup. The retest is gonna be above and reverse. That the long setup. But for the short setup, If vice versa, test from below, break it, and then it reverse. And then it break, and then it reverse. Yeah, we see this pattern now. So it's a very strong, high quality setup right there. It better than any setup. I think it's I think it's the best setup. Head and shoulder right here. All right, let's save it to today. Let's save it, and yep. So it's a full breakout at 40, no, 53, 45, 50. Yeah, it has a shoulder pattern. I think we just say that, or is a double bottom. Yeah, so basically right here, the completely right up for this setup. So we can, find the common, right here, head and shoulder. We do have other head and shoulder we captured before. Here's another one. Right there, you see the head shoulder right there? It break, in reverse, break, and right here you have a test from below, so it's very strong right there, and then it's gonna reverse. Yep, so basically for the reversal model, the head and shoulder is the strongest one. We have strike one. Right, today is another example, and basically let's see. So basically here we have one nice example and head and shoulder right there. We call head and shoulder right there, which is a reversal, and then we have another example right there. So this is very strong. Whenever we set this up, go in and let it run, let the target, let the winner run. It's gonna run very, very long. And today is a confirmation of this model or this setup right there. Yes, it's just beautiful setup right there. After we get a short right here, we have reluctant, but next time we need to learn to pull the trigger. That's how we need to exercise. As soon as we see the setup, we have to pull the trigger right there. It's very critical for us to keep review this, so it become our second nature when we see it. So it's the strongest setup for reversal right there. And then we have two other setup that's for the reversal model. The other one we call is similar to this, but it's not a head and shoulder, but it's just the end of a expansion right there. So in this case, it's not a head and shoulder, but it's just the same idea. You break, and then you retest, and then you reverse. You break, you retest, and then reverse. So this is the second high quality setup. The first is the head and shoulder right there. Similar to that, this is another example of the idea that break, test from, retest, and then reverse. The second, the third, setup for reversal is this setup. Which is brake, I think it's the same. Do we open the same? Yes, the same. So I think it should be brake. Right, this brake. Oh, let's see. Yeah, here's the reversal that, you know, we call type 2 right there, which is the third, you know, third scenario where reversal. Basically, it tests from above, brake, and then retest from above, and then it brake. However, it have a what? It have a reverse right there. Instead follow up, it do a reverse. That's where the auto block is coming to play. That's the auto block right there. So this setup a little bit tricky, but it's there. And similar to that, we have, you know, test from above, 1, 2, brake and reverse, which is exactly like today. I mean, we can see that it's head and shoulder right here, right? You have a head right here and shoulder right there. And I think this is on June the 3rd. Let's look at June the 3rd to see how this play out. June the 3rd. On the Josh right there. All right, June the 3rd. Let's expand it to 10 day. June the 3rd. Okay, which is right here. So June the 4th. Perfect, right here. Man, you see, it's whenever you see this setup, yeah, it's like unit 3rd right here. No, that's unit 6. Where are unit 3rd? Unit 5th. Unit 3rd. Oh, okay, right here. Yes, you can see that's, you know, it's the head right here, and you have a shoulder right here and shoulder right there. So you can call it's you know, head and shoulder right there, which is right there. Test. It did break the level before. Just see it. You see that? It break the level before. So there's no surprise right here. So let's see. What is the low right here? 52, 57, 25. Perfect. You see that? Yeah, so you have that level right there. So it's break the level before. It reverse, and now it tests from 1, 2, 3 times and break. There's no reason to come back. Always come back to break it. So beautiful right here. Let's take a screenshot of this. We do some document here. Yep, beautiful. So you have a head right here, and you have the shoulder right here, shoulder right there. So basically you have what right here? Right here. And then you have right here. Beautiful, man. And then you have a head and shoulder right there. Do we have other thing right there? Yeah, so you have a head right here, and then you have right here. Beautiful, man. And then you have a head and shoulder right there. Do we have other thing right there? Yeah, let's add it in. So basically, yeah, do this curly here, a little bit right here. So basically, you have oh no, it not working right here. Do we have a erase? Well, let's erase this. Okay, just use pencil. See, yeah, right there. So basically, you have yeah, you have a hat right here. Yeah, hat right there, and you have a shoulder right there. Oh, hmm. And you have another shoulder right here. So it's a very high quality level, high quality setup right there. And how we do that? It tests from above, the same idea. Right here, it retests above. In this case, 3 times. Perfect. I think similar like today, if we test 3 times. And then the second step, second step is you break it, and then such step which is reverse. So you put my stop right there. That's where we enter into the reverse step right there. So basically, we say right here for breakout at 52, 27, 25 is a reversal, or is an head and shoulder pattern right there. So basically, you have retest from above. In this case, 3 times, and then you have break it, and then you reverse. Yep, that's beautiful right there. All right, let's save it into our inventory database. So this is a high quality setup. So it's a for breakout at 52, 57, 25, and it's a reversal, and it's a has pattern with head and shoulder. It stands for head and shoulder pattern right now. It's the one of the high quality for a reversal. That's where we have it. And here's the head and the shoulder kind of far away. It's hard to say, hard to see, right? But for other instant, we can see is we can see them easily, right? For the instant today, we can see that the head and shoulder is very close together. But for this one, it's kind of far away. You see, it's very far away, so that's an idea right there. But just the same setup. Today is so perfect. It's all very close, easy to see. Here's another instant right here. This one is very close right there, so you know exactly. And you see when it form very close together, that means the algo really set to move up very high. You see that? You see the expansion move is huge. So whenever we see the tight band right there creating head shoulder, then we know that the next expansion move is huge. I mean, pretty much the same for today. Very close, you see the expansion move is huge. See the expansion move for, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 150 minutes continue rolling right there. So the head and shoulder reversal is very important. We need to prioritize this setup. Whenever we see setup, we have to take it. And we didn't take it today. We take the short trade, but for some reason we mid-direct right here, and we didn't take that trade. All right, now let's take a look at the second trade we take. All right, the second trade we take is around this time, 12:45 right there. So the idea is that is test from below and it break this level, then there's no reason to come back to this level. The only reason to come back at this level, 53.64, is to break it. So we put a sell stop at that level. Let's take a look. So we put, you see there? Yeah, we put a sell stop at 62.75. I mean 52.62, a little bit lower than that. I think we should put at right here 62. The 62. Oh yeah, we put right here. We should put a little bit high right here, but we put right there. Let's see, the same idea, but the level a little bit too low. Okay, yes, so we move up a little bit from 62, we move up to 64 right there. As soon as we saw the candle close above 64, look at the chart right there, this candle, that's right. As soon as we saw that, when we put before this candle close, we put right here, but after this close, we put in 64 right away. That's the right entry. See that? Right away we go in a 64 right there. That's the perfect trade idea. And let's see. We aim at this level at first, but let's see. Then it's almost hit our level. You see that? The profit is 200. It's at 5 point right there, 1 hour right there. It almost hits, but look right here. A little bit scary there, right? We almost give back all of that. Can you believe that? And then boom, let's see. Let's see, I think we closed them, even though we haven't hit our target 58. Yes, you have a target. So that candle is 13.15 right there. So 13.15 right here. It's hit the level at 58 right there. Yeah, we would target at 58. Yeah, right at 58. Yes, 53, 58. It hit exactly. So it's perfect execution right there. That's our trade number 2. Yeah, we need to review this trade again because we entry perfect targets is so perfect right there. So we go in right here and would exactly exactly that level. So we basically roll in right here with target right there. Model 1R, perfect execution, perfect entry right there. We can mark down as perfect entry and perfect target profits. So that's our trade number 2 right there. All right, now let's take a look at trade number 3 we have. All right, after 2 winning trade, we go to the third trade with a lot of momentum and optimism right there. So basically, we sell right there. We see that it's set up like a double top right there. So we sell at 53.65 right there. Let's look at the chart right there. So right here, the best is at 68, right? We saw that right there. We know that even though it tests from below, it never break the level. So it's just a retracement. Keep that in mind. And we saw that happen before. So we have to manage a quick target. But today we didn't manage a quick target. A quick target at all. We want to, it did hit level. But we are set our target right here. That'll be a little bit too much the market. I'm not gonna go there because whenever you see this, it just close at that level and then it moving down, it's gonna break that level. We learned that the day before that right here. I think we have the same idea right here. See that? Is this one of the key level right there? We short also right here at that level, and this is retracement. We have to target a quick same right here, idea right here also. Yep, same idea. It's a retracement, so we have to target a quick profits. Okay, let's see how we execute the trade. So yeah, we would the target down here. I think at the sell side, at the low of this, huge reversal here. Let's see. I think the best is at this. Now when we look back in the hand side, I think the best target is at this level, which is right at this level right there. Right here. Yes, it did hit that level. It didn't hit the sell side right here, but it hit this level exactly. See that? Or this level for that matter. This is critical level also. Okay, break, test from above, break it and reversal. This is the key level right here. The low is 59.75. Yes, so and we am at 57, which is a little bit too low. Let's see. And at one point, you see that we have a profit of $300, which is more than 1 eye at 250 right there. We should exit out right there. It's very close to the targets and it above 1 eye. I think that's the next lesson for us right there. We have to get out. Let's see. Yes, you see that from $300 and we didn't take profits. We let it go back to break even and now we are out of money. You see that? And let's see. And we make a little bit aggressive right here. We put a sell stop, one more right here, and look, it go back. It did hit level, and fill in the short right there, and then we got stop out, I believe. So that's the lesson we learned for this trade. Yes, got stop out. You see that? From $300, we make mistake already. That instead of take profits, it reverse on that. But anyway, that's the nature of trading. We should aim the right target. In this case, if we aim this target, we get out long time. We have naive right there. This is the bad targets because this is just a retracement. It's not gonna be reversed from here because it haven't break the level. When it break the level, you can see that. So that is our third trade right there. And the first trade we learned that the execution. We have a trade idea, right trade idea. There's short right here, but the execution is not good. So that's the note for the trade. Number 3 for us is the lesson we learn is a good trade idea, good entry, good trade idea, and good entry, but target is too low. That's the lesson we learned for trade number 3 right now. And we get back out again right there. See that? But should not be a concern for us right there. Anyway, now let's see at trade number 4. All right, trade number 4 is the good trade idea also. Is a perfect entry right there. Basically, we entry right here at we entry early, right? The right entry is at this guy, right? It break the level. There's no reason to come back. The only reason to come back is to break the level. So we entry early right here, and then we add more. We add more side when it break that level right here, this level. Go back to the chart. We're gonna see right here. So basically, right here. When it break the level, there's no reason for it to come back here. You see that the level right here. So we would a sell stop right here, but we go a little bit aggressive. As soon as we see the rejection, we go in right away, and then we add more when it break down to level. At this level, the high of this candle right there. Let's put right here. So the high of this is 71.25. Perfect entry. You see that? We should take profit right at that level. But let's look. We are put the target at 53.64. 53.64 right here. We target right here. Yeah, it hit the target, but look, see what happened. The target is perfect, but look, you see that? It's come back. It go again at right there. And at one point, we still stay in a trade. See that? At one point, we have profits about 1,400 right there. We add the size, increase the size to 10 right there. Perfect. We take profit, and good for the day right there. With that's much again. But you know what? Right here, it's scary. Right here, well, you see your profits almost $2,000. The good idea that we should check profits right there, but you know what? We didn't, and it come back. You see that? Come back. And look, I think we get numbers right here. You see that we move our stop loss to break even. We should not do that, to leave a test above here. And as soon as we move to break even, it come back and it stop out. And you see that it hit the targets. Eventually it hit the target on the next candle right there. So that's the mistake right there. We get nervous. So the trade number 4 lesson we learned first is it is a good trade idea. Trade 4 is a good trade idea and good entry. Same like the trade number 3, but moving stop loss too soon. That's easy right there. That's the trade. All right, so let's take a look at the last trade number 5 we take. All right, here's the trade number 5 we take. Right here, that's a perfect trade idea. You see that? The level at 70.50 right there. Test up from above, break it, reverse it back right away. There's no reason to come back. The only reason is to break that level. So we put a sell stop right there and we add more size into that when it breaks that level. And we end right here, but it's kind of, it didn't go all the way there. You see that? It's almost, but we learned our lesson that it should be at this level, at this candle low right there. It didn't go to all the way that we want. The level we want is this level, but actually at 65 is much better, and it did. And somehow the top stack, stop it out. I think maybe the market close or something. You look, it stop it out and perfect. Otherwise, it will never hit that target we want. You see that? It's execute for us right there. That's amazing. We don't know. You see that? Even though it haven't hit the target, but it's you see, it's close the trade.
Order filled.
Yes, it closed the trade for us. Maybe the market's closed, so that's the reason why it closed trade for us, which is good for us, because if you look at the chart right here, it never hit this level, the 64 level, but it hit the 65 level. Yeah, so both the last 3 trades we take, it's a good idea, good entry, but the execution is not great. The execution is not great in terms of the target profit is too low, or we move the stop loss too soon. Yep. Good trade idea and good entry, but target profit too low. That's the lesson we learned. All right, I think that's it for today. Let's see what is the market moving for tomorrow. Basically, we found that there is a range right here. You see, we do the range right there on the daily time frame, which is right here on the daily time frame right there. A little bit too much right here, but delete some of them so we can see much better. So the range right here, you see that? It tests from above twice, 1, 2, 3. So this today is supposed to break it. That's when we first looked in the morning. But instead of break it, it reversed. And here's the next level. You see that level right there? It also tests from below, 1, 1, 2, 3. So today is breaking. So let's see how tomorrow. But the critical range for today and for this week is that range right there. Between this the range right here between 43 50 48 49 and 68 right there. That's the range that we're looking for this week. Yeah, that's the range we look for this week right there. I mean, the top step people they did set our level, but their level is 83 or 82 something. We don't know why they come up with level, but for us, this is the level, the range for this week, or at least for today and tomorrow. You see how, you see that as soon it break out level, it create for breakout. Let's see how it's gonna, how the market gonna react to this range right there from 68 to 49. All right, I think that's it for today. Really, thank you. We really are thankful for your time and interest. We're only grateful for this opportunity, and we do what we love, and success coming our way. Bye for now, and have a great evening. Talk to you tomorrow.